Hey guys, welcome to another episode of this YouTube free course for you guys on the stock market. This is episode 12, and episode 12 we are going to go over the supply zone and how you can use this to your advantage as a day trader, right? You could use this on all time frames. The higher time frame, the better. It will benefit you more. So I do recommend switching over to the 4 hours, sometimes 30 minutes, just to see get a better observation. I'm going to give you an example, right, using FFIE. Now, if we look at this FFIE chart, and let's look at the first level of rejection, right? And our first level is, of course, we hit that 3.9 level, but we got these ticks here, especially just here. And let's just mark this. Let's just mark this color. And we quite clearly see by this chart, this is an area where we previously rejected twice, and even the third time we couldn't quite get above this level and stay above. We instantly came back down and we pushed back towards the downside. Now, how is this confirmed in the supply zone? We come back up, we test this level, and we hold this level, right? This is an area of previous supply as well. So this level I've explained to you more in detail after I explain this first level. We hold this level, which is a previous area of supply. So 1, 2, 3 rejections, turn demand. We hold this level, we push back up, and there you have it. If you had to switch to the higher time frame, you would have realized quite quickly that okay, this is an area of previous supply, and this is an area we rejected. Now, it's very, very important to understand this because this will save you a lot of money, right? Sometimes you switch to that 30-minute 4-hour chart intraday, just switch to it and look for areas of rejection on the chart, and those are your targets. Those are your targets. You can use this to your advantage. And like I said, a supply zone is something which is the opposite of a demand zone. A demand zone is where buyers become active, or they want the stock, right? I'm gonna give you an example of an iPhone, right? If an iPhone is valued, the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max, if this is valued at currently, let's say $1,200, $1,000 or whatever, if this goes down in price to $800, $750, people will jump on this and they will look to purchase this product, right? Because this is a discount. Now, on the opposite side, if this pushes up and the price becomes $1,500 to $1,600, we probably won't see as many buyers. And maybe if someone starts selling this for this price, because we've got some available at 1,200, people will start to undercut each other and you'll get a much discounted price. And this is what you're getting here, right? Buyers do not want to pay this price, so instantly we're getting rejection. And this is what all it is supply and demand, right? It's a basic business terminology. If you watch the demand zone video, I've also done it on this free course. You'll see it on the playlist. But that's what supply zone is, and we're going to give you a couple more examples. But FFI, you could quite clearly see from here, this is an area of previous supply here. We break up, we hold above, we close above that 4-hour candle, push this area, we start rejecting, we come back down, and then we hold this area. Very important to know, bang, straight, and we reject this area again. It's that simple. Let's show you an example on BNAI, and I'll use a smaller time frame for this, guys, right? So here we can't really spot many supply zones, but we'll start spotting these. Maybe this comes to fruition on Monday. Maybe this will affect us on Monday, right? So this area is supply zone here, right? And keep this in mind. This is this $4 area. I want you to keep this on your radar into Monday. And maybe this will reflect quite well. Now we've got another area around this area here. This is an area where price starts to reject as well. We see quite clearly price couldn't get above this area until the second time we broke out. We came down, we held this area. So this becomes the area, demand, supply, turn, demand. Then we break out, we start to struggle in this area, come down, and we reject once and twice. We reject the supply zone. So this means this is an area where buyers are not willing to pay. They are not willing to purchase this stock. And it's very important to understand this. You just need to sit back and zoom out for your chart. And it's very important to understand this, and maybe the daily might tell us a bit more. So we look at this daily chart, right, and we see where buyers, sellers previously be rejected. So we have rejected this area previously right here. So this is area we struggle to get above historically. So to the 5-minute chart, and we can quite clearly see we were not able to really follow through on this area, right? And the daily will tell you that. So the higher time frame you go, and it'll probably be easier for you guys to understand, okay, this is breaking, this might reject here, and that's how you kind of look at the supply zone, right? Let's look at another chart, LUCY, Lucy. And Lucy, in my opinion, probably one of the best to kind of look at in this scenario, and you could quite clearly see why. Now let's switch to the first area where we rejected harsh, which was here. And let's take this all the way through. We go, we push, we break down, and now this becomes an area where we previously rejected. So we mark this area and we think, okay, potentially price could start rejecting here again. Boom, we break, but we can't hold it up, and we start rejecting this area, right? Price instantly shoots down, pulls up, and again we cannot break above all day. We cannot close above this area. Price cannot follow through. This is an area of supply. This is an area where buyers are not willing to pay premium price, suggesting a downfall in the stock. And it's very important to understand this. This is where a lot of people will start adding here, but on the contrary, the issue is real buyers, the people that are looking on the bright side, or people that are zooming out, they can see, okay, this is where sellers potentially step up. So what they look for is they look for a price below, then start looking for, okay, let me look at previous demand zones, or let me look at an area where price has previously held. And we've got these areas here where price, again, we rejected that we're becoming an area of demand. But that's the best way to put it. Do not buy into resistance, buy into support, or look for areas of value, right? And that's very, very important to understand. But yeah, this is the video on supply zone. I really hope you guys understood this. Guys, if you understood this, please drop a comment below, right? This helps us a lot, helps me and Tiger, and it will also help a lot of people see our channel, so we could help people understand the fundamentals of trading. Now hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment of what video you want to see in the future. What do you want me to explain to you guys? What do you want me to help you with? But thank you very much for watching through this video. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Peace.